This how to 1 minute will show you how to cancel or how to get refund for pre-order on Xbox. To cancel pre-order, you have to open a browser. So open your browser and search for request Xbox refund and open this first link, request a refund for digital games. Once you are in this page, read this article very carefully. And now to start your refund request, you have to sign into your Xbox account. So click on sign in and then follow next steps to send a refund request. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.